Need some extra storage space in your backyard? Here's a great idea. Build a custom storage shed for garden tools and more. Here's how. Let's get started by building the sides. Then move on to the slanted sides for the roof. One of the sides is now complete. Now you just have to do the same thing for the other side. Every shed needs a base frame, so that's up next. Now go ahead and connect the sides. Our base is really coming together. Your shed needs a door, so grab some edged decking and get to it. To attach it, remember the hinges, top and bottom. Now comes the fun part. We've added shelves, but you can customize to whatever you like. You can also add a handy work surface. Finally, for the roof, we're adding polycarbonate panels. They're weather resistant and let light in. This simple step also works as an extra defense against any water damage. Look at that, all done. And you might need 2 sheds. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll also find links to all the products and the complete steps in our Here's How hub. Visit homehardware.ca.